Right now, I want to show you this new stud finder that I found. So this I got online, just a couple of bucks, and I'm putting it to the test today here in the office trying to find some studs. So let's see how it works here. So there, I found a stud here, and there we go. So how this little device works is it's a very strong magnet, and it finds and attaches to the screw in the stud. So that's how it works. Now I know there's going to be a stud there because obviously my stud finder identified it, and then there's an outlet right down there. So typically the outlets, the box is connected to the stud there. So what it's doing is it's finding the screws there and then connecting to it. So if I come over here to the side, I should find another one. Depending on where they put their screws, I may or may not find one. Oh, there we go. So there's one right there as well. So again, with the stud finder, let's go ahead and check here. See if we identify one there. So yeah, we're showing one there as well. And then if we keep kind of coming over here, we're going to show some more. And then as we move over here, depending on where the screws are, we may or may not. Yep, so there's another one there. So it works pretty good. I really do like it because it just hangs on the wall there. So you can identify where your stud is hanging on the wall, then make your marks, and then just have some fun with it. So I think it works pretty well, especially for the cost. Definitely worth having in your toolbox. Just a quick way to identify where their studs are and help you do your projects for the weekend, hanging shelves, pictures, TVs, whatever you're looking to do. I definitely think it's worth checking out. So that's a little accessory new to my toolbox. I do like it. Put it to use on some weekend projects here. So again, my name is Drew. If you like DIY around the house stuff, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.